Welcome to Easy English by Eddie Singh, and today we are continuing with the syntax, subject verb agreement, rules of syntax. Now, rule number 5. We are continuing rule number 5. Well, I just told previously that a verb always agrees with a subject in number and person. So, in continuation of the rules, let us talk about the rule number 5. One of plus a plural noun. Look at that, plural noun. Whenever a sentence contains one of plus a plural noun, definitely the verb will be singular. One of plus plural noun will always take a singular verb. Take a singular verb. Ask why, sir? Ask Rishi.
Why, sir?
Because the sense is singular. One is always singular. We will not mark plural noun as the subject. The real subject is one. For example, let us talk. Rishi, look at the examples. One of the boys has come today. One of the boys has come today. Now, Rishi, why I have written has here? Because the real subject is one. The real subject is one. Here, boys is not the subject. What is the subject here?
One.
Similarly, another example number 2. One of those girls deserves the prize. Now ask Rishi, sir, why have you written deserves singular here? Because the real subject is one. That means it is singular. Now, rule number 6. Let us go to rule number 6. Ask Rishi, sir, what is rule number 6?
What is the rule number 6?
Yes, rule number 6 states long subject. If a subject has a group of words, or rather we can say class or long group of words, then we will decide whether the subject is singular or plural. So the verb will agree with the main subject. If we have a long group of words in the beginning of the sentence, then we will find out first the real subject. Rishi, first we will find the real subject. पहले हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि real subject क्या है. जैसे एक example ले लीजिए, the chairs. Look at the example. The chairs that we purchased are fancy. Now ask Rishi, why have you written plural here? Because chairs are the real subject. Plural subject, plural verb. Chairs. Rishi, why have I written are here? Because the chairs are the real subject. Chairs are the
real subject.
Chairs are plural, so we have written are. Now here you see the woman who delivers the speech is our principal. Yes, Rishi. Why have I written is here? Because the real subject is the woman, singular. The woman who delivers the speech is our principal. So actually the subject is the woman, which is singular or plural? Tell me.
Sir, singular.
Singular. And so the verb is singular. So when the long subject is a singular, the verb will be singular. When the long subject is plural, the verb will be plural. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, rule number 7. Let us come to rule number 7. Ask, what is rule number 7, sir?
What is rule number 7?
Well, you see, just think of that introductory there. Sometimes what happens that we start with the introductory subject there. Whenever we start a sentence with an introductory subject there, then the verb will agree with the noun that comes after there. I repeat, जब कोई भी सेंटेंस देर से हम शुरू करते हैं THERE, तो जो आने वाला नाउन है वो यदि सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब सिंगुलर हो जाएगा, वो यदि प्लूरल है तो वर्ब प्लूरल हो जाएगा. तो देयर के बाद जो नाउन आएगा वही उसी के अनुसार हम वर्ब को ये करेंगे, एग्री कराएंगे. जैसे देखिए, there is a boy in this class. Look at that. There is a boy in this class. Now Rishi, why have I written is here?
Because singular.
Of boy is singular.
Singular.
So after introductory there, the reals, I mean noun is a boy, singular.
Yes, sir.
Whereas there are many players. There are many players in this class. Look at that. Players in this class. Now Rishi, why have I written are here? Because after introductory there are many players.
Yes,
plural.
sir.
The main noun is plural.
Plural.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, there are several chairs in this classroom. Chairs in this classroom. Now Rishi, why have I written are here?
Because they are plural.
Several chairs are plural.
Yes,
Chairs, according to chairs, there are several is also a plural.
Yes,
Determiner, and chairs are also plural. देखिए आने वाला their introductory के बाद आने वाला यहाँ singular था तो verb singular हो गया, अब was singular
Yes,
था
sir.
तो is हो गया, और यहाँ many players था तो यहाँ are था,
Yes, sir.
इसलिए plural के साथ are हो गया. यहाँ देखिए several chairs है plural, तो यहाँ verb are है. देख रहे हैं?
Yes,
chairs
sir.
के अनुसार है. तो देयर के बाद देयर इंट्रोडक्टरी सब्जेक्ट के बाद जो भी नाउन आएगा, जो नाउन आएगा, यदि नाउन सिंगुलर होगा तो वर्ब सिंगुलर होगा, यदि नाउन प्लूरल होगा तो वर्ब
प्लूरल होगा.
दैट्स ऑल टुडे. थैंक यू.